on, Nana. Aww. Oh, you're so good kitty. Oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes, you're such a good kitty. Hey? Midnight. Oh, yeah. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Midnight.
That'll be pretty good.
Mhm.
So it said 3 hours to cook that turkey.
Oh. Look at him.
Kids say to put them in the worst sample.
What are you doing? Taking up the whole chair. Hey. 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 Kitty. Oh, look at my man. Yes, you're handsome. Yes. Too far, leave me alone. That's so cute. See? There's your mama. Oh, yes, I love you too. Yes, oh, yes. You're a suck ass, you know that? You're the world's biggest suck ass. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Is this where it starts? Oh, must be. Yes, it must be. Kitty, kitty. How often do you see an ant? What is that about? Oh, you're... Here's my black kitty. Huh? Where's my black kitty? Oh, yeah. Look at him, he's just like, I'm just chilling. I don't know if anybody can see this. I don't know. No? Oh. Suck ass. Hi. What are you doing, Mr. Man? Evening night. Where are you going, Minna? Oh, under the cars. Is someone enjoying yourself? Oh, yes. That's a kitty. Oh, yes. It's a kitty. Yeah. You're such a suck ass. Yeah. Mr. Midnight. Hey, my boy. Oh, Midnight. Oh, yeah. See, rub my belly. Rub my belly. Yeah. Big damn dog. Shut your ass up. Hey? Big damn dog. Shut up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Midnight. Where are you going? Hey, you crazy buffoon. Whatever that's about. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Eh? Oh, I act like a retard? Hey, Jenna. Tell me to act like a weirdo? You love it outside, don't you? Hey, my boy. Hey, Midnight. You like being outside. Sometimes you don't even come home, you little brat. Mm-hmm.